Alright guys, we're on the final 10:28. We're going to go live. We are live. 10:28. 10:28. Grab a list. 15 spots. And we'll drop it in. 15 entries. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3 is not high enough. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 8's good. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. That's 8. Next click. And 8. Congrats, Zach Ryan Thompson. Spot number 4. You are the winner. 10:29. We'll type done. We are done. 10:29. 10:29. Verification and timestamp.